Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable camera on Snapchat on iPhone. If you're using Snapchat and you want to enable camera for your Snapchat apps, let's see how can you do that. So you can do it in two different ways. The very first way is that you have to open your Snapchat app, then tap on this open settings option and allow your camera access from here. Or the second one is that you have to go back, open your settings app, then scroll down and look for apps section, select that. Now further scroll down and you just have to look for Snapchat here. So here once you find Snapchat, just select Snapchat and here you'll get the camera section. So and you'll get a toggle in front of the camera. So you must have to enable that toggle, and once you have enabled, you'll not get the same issue again and your camera is now enabled for your Snapchat. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you can also try to update your apps. So sometime it might be that there's a pending update in your for your Snapchat app. So you're unable to access your camera. So after updating, your issue will be fixed and you'll not get the same issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.